You're welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Sandra taking you through the latest offering in the DeFi world, decentralized finance, for those of you who don't know. Before I go further, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel simply by clicking the subscribe button at the bottom of this video, so that as and when I do release information about the latest projects in crypto space, in the DeFi world, in the DAO world, in the meme world, in the alt world, in the AI trading bots world, you will be the first to know and be able to jump in at the earliest. That's it. So welcome once again. I bring to you today the latest proposition in the DeFi space. It's called PARROT DAO. PARROT DAO. The name is right on top of the page. You can check it out. PARROT DAO. Website address parrotdao.net. It is on the AVAX network, just launched tonight, and is doing absolutely amazingly. Crazy API, so many zeros on screen. I don't even know what realm to call this. But the point about this proposition is that the PARROT DAO that has just launched, this is the website. You can see that there are a number of use cases. Got use cases for staking, use cases for minting. We're going to go through the documentation. Already you can see that it's got various social media presences. It's got a Twitter page. We're going to go on the Discord page as well. And we're going to explore. All this time, we're going to explore using my own purchase of this particular project to walk through the experience of what it feels like to be part of the PARROT DAO community. Let's do paperwork. Let's go through the documentation, and I'm going to break down what it says on text. I'm doing this production using my mobile phone, so it's a little different. For those of you who have a smartphone, this is what you get to see. I'm not using a desktop. That's just to prove to you that this particular proposition certainly has they've made it very available to the mobile social customer, to the mobile social, the mobile first crypto investor. So check it out. PARROT DAO, the name of the currency, is a decentralized reserve currency protocol. It is on the Avalanche network. For those of you who are wondering, why has Avalanche AVAX gone from 107 to 118 tonight? It is because of PARROT DAO. I'm going to take you as well through the DeFi screen page so that you can see what the percentages are saying. But it's looking very good. Over 300% increase in price for PARROT DAO token, and Avalanche has gone from 107 to 118 tonight. So it's looking very good indeed. So PARROT DAO is a decentralized reserve currency protocol on the Avalanche network. Is based on the PARR token. The PARR token is key. The PARR token is the unit of currency. PARROT DAO develops infrastructure incentives that fulfills its obligation with the PARR token as the leading DeFi lending provider and funding the GameFi ecosystem on treasury investments. Oh my God, a number of keywords are popping out. DeFi 1, GameFi 2, treasury investments 3. All of this are critical. And for me, this was the game changer. As soon as I saw this particular word, GameFi is leading the way. Every other aspect of crypto is suffering, but GameFi is enjoying a major resurrection. So let's continue. It says, as a matter of course, PARROT DAO will back and help build the future of DeFi lending and DeFi gaming. Again, game-changing words. DeFi lending is huge. DeFi gaming is huge. Each PARR token is backed by a basket of assets. So each token, it's not just backed by a singular asset, but in this case, there are a basket of assets. Check it out. For example, MIM, PAR AVAX liquidity protocol tokens, metaverse infrastructure projects, play to earn projects, digital land, etc., and they are not lying. I can confirm to you that they are not lying. It is exactly what it says on the tin. Each PAR token is backed by a basket of assets. Earlier on tonight, minting was, earlier on today, when the whitelist was permitted to buy, the PAR tokens were minted for $10 each. As I speak to you tonight, each PAR token has climbed up and is in excess of $100 now. So it's looking very, very good. Over 343% increase in price. So there's an immeasurable amount of intrinsic value that it cannot fall below. So this basket of assets makes the PAR token very worthy indeed. So Parrot DAO also introduces economic and game theoric dynamics into the market through staking and bonding. This is the hottest project in the market space right now, and I'm so glad I'm part of it. Now let's talk about utility, the big word. It says our goal is to build a policy-controlled currency system native on the AVAX and KCC network. Woo! Another keyword. AVAX and KCC. KCC refers to KuCoin. KuCoin network is huge. Huge. And AVAX Avalanche is also huge. So there we have it. Two huge ecosystems that this Parrot DAO will be based on. The PAR ecosystem and monetary policy are managed by the Parrot DAO. This way we guarantee transparent decision making and long-term stability. In the long term, we believe that this system can be used to optimize for stability and consistency so that PAR can function as a global unit of account and medium of exchange currency both in real life and in the metaverse. In the short term, we intend to optimize the system for growth and wealth creation. Absolutely, I agree. Growth is promised and incredible wealth creation as well. The point is to create a new monetary system backed by the metaverse. Oh my God, this is key. The point is to create a new monetary system backed by metaverse and gaming infrastructure and to build an economy around it while also becoming a majority lending protocol on multi-chain EVMs. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. So how can I participate in the Parrot DAO? How can I participate in this wonderful opportunity? How can I partake and exploit the opportunities available to me? There are two main strategies for the market participants. They can stake or they can bond. Stakers stake their PAR tokens, so you can stake and you can bond. Those are the two use cases. Stakers can stake their PAR tokens in return for more PAR tokens, which is what I have done, whilst bonders provide liquidity protocol tokens or MIM tokens in exchange for discounted PAR tokens after a fixed vesting period. For the bonders, for those people that choose the bonding route, after 5-day period, the vesting term is 5 days. And what the advantage that the bonders got was that they were able to get discounted tokens. I believe they were able to bond for 10 PAR. As Parrot DAO grows, its objectives is to have a variety of liquidity protocol tokens from the metaverse and gaming projects available for bonding. Absolutely. And that is what has happened, ladies and gentlemen. How can I benefit from Parrot DAO? Stakers benefit from supply growth. Stakers benefit from supply growth. 1. The protocol mints new PAR tokens from the treasury, and the majority of which are distributed to the stakers. So I am staking And that is the advantage accruable to myself and any other person who would go on board and stake. Therefore, the gain for stakers will come from their auto compounding balances. I'm going to show you this on the website. Though price exposure is also an important consideration. That is, if the increase in token balance outpaces the potential drop in price due to inflation, stakers would make a profit. Bonders, the second use case, benefit from price consistency. Bonders commit capital upfront and are promised a fixed return at a set point in time. That return is given in PARR tokens. Remember, people who bonded at first, at the very beginning of this project, were able to get a token, PARR token discounted at $10 each. As I speak to you, PARR tokens have exceeded $100. This is in the space of less than 4 or 5 hours. So the bonder's profit would depend on the PARR price when the minted PARR matures. So when the fixed vesting finishes, the vesting period is 5 days for the bonders. So bonders would benefit from a rising or static price for the PARR token. Who created the PARROT DAO? It's a fork of Olympus. Olympus is the #1 DAO on the market and also on the Avalanche network. The team is mostly anonymous, born from a DeFi community as well as the startup scene. We're going to go through the Discord page. We are a group of serial entrepreneurs, DeFi farmers, blockchain developers, growth hackers. It's a cacophony of experts who have come together to bring this. And you can see it by the richness of this proposition. It's GameFi inclined, it's a metaverse inclined, it's DeFi, it is in the DeFi space. You can see that there is intelligence with this proposition. PARROT DAO is working actively at becoming a decentralized autonomous organization. Well, it is a DAO. It is a DAO. It has entered the market as a DAO. Creating a new monetary system backed by metaverse and gaming infrastructure. For me, this is the game changer. It can't fail. That's why it's seen an increase of 343% tonight, and to build an economy around it. Who runs PARROT DAO? At the moment, most of the decisions are taken by the core team, true, but we expect to be able to turn this into a DAO governed model as soon as possible. Decisions such as marketing campaigns and staking returns will be decided on by the token holdings of stakeholders, and I can confirm that that's what's been happening. They've been voting and doing all sorts of things on the Discord, and I can confirm that voting by the community has been what has been the order of the day. There are two ways in which this protocol generates value: via bonding and via staking, as I mentioned previously. So what I'm going to do now is go to the to my account so that you can see my own trade on the PARROTDAO.net. So I'm actually staking, and you can see that I'm still in my warm-up period. There are 2 bases left until I can claim my rewards, but my rewards are accruing. Next reward yield is 31%. ROI 5-day rate is 5,681%. This is blowing up. When this started earlier on, this was a 1,500 ROI 5-day rate. Now, what I need you to also know about this proposition, just like it says here, is that there's a 3-epoch warming period when staken. 1 epoch is 8 hours. So 1 rebase window is 8 hours. During the warm-up, your staked tokens are held in the warm-up contract. Exiting the warm-up early will return your original deposit to your wallet. So if I make the mistake of clicking this, well, I haven't lost my money, and nor will you lose your money. All our original deposits go back to our wallets. But I don't want to exit warm up. I know that my rewards are accruing. If you go to the top of this page, you will also see that we have, according to this, 7 hours and 43 minutes to the next rebase. So look at the API on this page. Look at the APY on this stage. Huge, 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 huge. What happens with DAO is that in the fullness of time, as you go through the day by day and as the market dynamics takes over, this API will come down. It will come down. So there's nothing to fear. It's not a fraudulent figure. It's a very real figure. And according to the mathematics of how the DAO operates and how the tokenomics have been built for this DAO, that is a true reflection of the APY. So I want to also now go to the dashboard so that you can see some of the market information and tokenomics surrounding this token. My God, woo! PARR token, which was 118 last time I looked at it, is now 167. Market cap, because there's a FOMO right now, is 38 million. 38,913,516. And total value locked is over 12 million. Crazy, absolutely crazy. The market is going ape. So in this bear market, there is still an aspect of crypto that's making money. DeFi is making money. DAOs are making money. That's the current index. The treasury balance amount bonded so far is 1,382,066, and the backing per bar is $6. Runway is 3.6 days. It's all looking good. It's all looking kosher. Now let us go to the Discord. I want us to go to the Discord, because of course the Discord is where the community is. This is where the community is. You can see quite a few things. All the links you need for all of the contracts are here. All of the links you need, links to the DEX screener page, links to the Trader Joe page. Let's actually get in DEX screener and let's see what has been said about the PARROT DAO. I want to expose some tokenomics to you. Check it out. Price is 177.2. Liquidity is 380. Market cap is 37 million. In 24 hours, there's been an increase of 172%. In 6 hours, 81.85%. In an hour, the price has gone up by 25.68%. So in 5 minutes, the price has gone up by 12. The market is absolutely rushing this. You will also note that there are contract informations for the pairings and for the PAR contract. If you want to buy this on the AVAX exchange, this is on the Trader Joe market page for DeFi tokens. This is a contract you need. So you can see that it also says traded on Trader Joe's. So let us go back. Let us go back to the Discord and click on Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is the DeFi where you buy the PARROT tokens from. You can see what it looks like. Let me actually go into Trader Joe's from the MetaMask page, from my MetaMask page. I want to show you guys what it looks like. So if you're in MetaMask, all you simply do is click on browser. If you didn't see that, this is what I did. I clicked on browser. And once you've done that, you enter the Trader Joe page from the MetaMask. You don't enter it outside the MetaMask. And you can see this is Trader Joe's with the DEX where PARROT tokens can be bought to be staked. So before you can stake, you need to connect to the AVAX network. Go to Trader Joe's and buy go to Trader Joe's and buy the Parrot token, which I've already installed here. So were you to have gotten to the Discord and picked up on the contract page, if you had picked up the PARR token, what you would then do is come here. Once you put the PARR token in, automatically it comes up, and then you can buy the PARR token. And check it out. Earlier on tonight, it was one AVAX could get you 13 PARRs. Right now, one PARR can get you 1.6 AVAX. So it's growing in value. There's more and more value attributed now to PARR. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's all popping off. PARROT DAO is the name of the token. This is the Discord group. Very, very strong community. Very, very busy community. Very, very happy community. Were I to go to the general chat page, you can see people. The community is going strong. The community is bubbling. The community still has, the devs have gone to sleep because they've been staying awake for 16 hours, 18 hours. They're tired. The coins launched. The community is there. A very strong community doing business. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I encourage you, if you are inclined to DAOs, decentralized autonomous organization aspects of crypto, certainly the PARROT DAO is the latest DAO in town. I encourage you, especially as the APRYs are still high and the yields are still relatively high, I encourage you to do your best and get on board this project. It's looking like it's going to be a very good Christmas indeed. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for, oh, look at that. My PAR numbers are going up and I'm quite excited. I had started with 1.75, but when it's time for me to claim my rewards, my balance will become 2, going over 2 PARs. Ladies and gentlemen, I was listening to word on the community and some people were saying that they have an assurance that PAR tokens would even hit $1,000 by this week. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. Is metaverse inclined? Is GameFi inclined? Ladies and gentlemen, we are onto a good thing here. Look at the 5-day ROI rate. 5,671.8418%. Where else in crypto can you get this sort of rate? Treat yourself for Christmas. Get on board the PARROT DAO initiative. Thank you so much. Once again, subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button at the bottom of the page. And look forward to my next content. I'm going to do another content on my Galaxy goggles and also do another one on Ragnar DAO.net, which are other DAOs I've invested in. So thank you very much and bye-bye for now.